So hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 4 of electrochemistry. So today we will discuss about balanced redox reaction by Einstein's electron method. We will try to balance this equation. So I have taken first the acidic medium equation. So now let's work on this to balance this equation, right? So first of all, we will do first our step is separate oxidation and reduction. We have to find out the oxidation and reduction first. Okay, so as we know we can say we know that the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So this means 8 and here oxygen have sign negative means oxygen will give to another we can say compound. ऑक्सीजन के पास 8 है -8 है ऑक्सीजन एक दूसरे कंपाउंड को देगा so this means manganese have +7, right? This is I have explained you in the last two videos. You can kindly go and watch it. Now here you can see oxygen has 3 to the 6 and you have to remove this 2 out. So 6 में से 2 बाहर तो means it is +4 of sulfur. Now here you can see sulfur here is 4 to the 8. We have to remove 2 so it will be +6, right? So now here you can see where the oxidation and reduction are taking place. So yeah, here you can see from the magnesium it is +7 and here magnesium is +2. Means from +7 to +2 it is reduced. क्या हुआ है? Decrease हुआ, it is reduced from +2 to +7. So here the reduction take place. Same goes for here. Here you can see sulfur oxide. Sulfur is +4. Here is +6. Means it is oxide. It is increased +4 to +6. So here we can say oxidation take place. Fine. So our first step is to balance the. Our first step is separate oxidation reduction by half reaction. हाफ रिएक्शन से ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन को क्या करना है सेपरेट करना है so like this if we have magnesium O4 negative ठीक है now we have to separate how as you can see here magnesium is Mn +2 so this means here the reduction take place how from +7 to +2 +7 to +2 reduction take place like this we have to separate the oxidation and reduction. Same here we have sulfur so here oxidation take place sulfur from +4 to +6 so +4 to +6 here oxidation take place and here reduction take place fine. So this is how our first step is done. We separate the oxidation and reduction by the half reaction fine. After that here we have step number 2. Now they're asking to balance the oxygen by adding the water molecule and to balance the hydrogen by adding H positive ions ठीक है. Balance oxygen by adding water and balance hydrogen by adding H positive. Fine, so here you can see equation is like this. We have equation MnO minus 4 plus here we are going to do this Mn plus 2. So now we have to balance the oxygen. And here oxygen are 4 and here we have 0 oxygen. So we will add the oxygen. And you know to adding the oxygen we will add to balance the oxygen we will add water molecules. So here we will add 4 water molecules. So here 4 water molecules. This means these are added to balance the oxygen. And here are 4 oxygens. Fine. So now as we balance this oxygen by water. Now we have to balance this hydrogen by adding H positive ions. So here 4 2s are 8. So here means hydrogen are 8. So we will here add H positive to balance the water molecule. Right? Same goes for the reduction oxidation reaction. We have SO4 or SO3 minus plus water molecule H2O give SO4 minus का 2 plus 2H positive. Now here you can see what happened. And here you can see here oxygen was 3 and here oxygen was 4. So this means here one oxygen is extra, so we have to balance this oxygen by adding one water molecule. So we have added one water molecule. Same if we have added one water molecule to balance the hydrogen, we will add 2H positive ion because here we have two hydrogen. Like this. Okay. So I hope step number 2 is also clear. Now we should go with step number 3. It is balance charge by adding electron. अभी charge को balance करो कैसे electron को add कर कर. देखिए electron को add कर कर charge को balance करो. Now here you can see our first step will be we write the same equation MnO4 minus plus 8H. Here we will put the space Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Now we have to balance the charges. So here you can see a magnesium is basically reduced from we can say reduced from 7 to 2. ये कैसे reduce हो रहा है? ये reduce हो रहा है 7 से हो रहा है 2 की तरफ. So that means the difference between the plus 7 to plus 2 is 5. So this means we will add 5 electrons. So here we will add 5 electrons. Fine. Same goes for another equation which is SO3 minus plus water molecule H2O will give SO4 minus 2 plus 2H positive. Plus now in the oxidation reaction we will add the electron at the product side, and in the reduction we will add electron at the reactant side. Now here you can see how electron was done. Here you can see plus 4 to plus 6 means the difference of 2, so we will add 2 electrons. So here we will add 2 electrons. Now our fourth step is to balance the we can say to balance the electron loss and gain. जो electron loss हुए और gain हुए ना उनको balance करना. Like here we have 5 electrons, here we have 2 electrons. We have to multiply these both terms by a same digit, or not same digit. We have to multiply these by a digit so that our electron of both equation can be equal. Okay, so this means here if I'm going to multiply this by 2, this by multiply by 2 and this by multiply by 5, because here you can see 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10, so our electron will be equal. Now multiply this 2 with the whole term, so it will be 2 MnO4 minus plus 8 2s are 16 hydrogen plus 8 2s are 10 electrons, then 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2 8 H2O. ठीक है. Second equation we have to multiply by 5, so it will be 5 SO4 SO3 minus plus 5 H2O and goes to 5 SO4 minus का 2 plus 5 to the 10 H positive plus 5 to the 10 electrons. So now here you can see the electrons are we can say equal. Here we have 10 electrons, same here we have also 10 electrons. Now we will add these both terms. Okay, so like this. and try to add these bottoms. So here this electron and this electron will be cancelled with each other, and here you can see here we have 5 water molecules, and here we have basically 8 water molecules. Okay, when we write here, we will write here same because it is not cancelled. 2 MnO4 minus plus ka G. So here you can see we have 5 SO3 minus, then we have what, then we have plus 16 H positive, not 16, however here we have 10 H positive, so 10 here it is plus, it will go there minus, 16 minus 10 it will be 6 H positive, then same goes for here, it will be 2 Mn positive plus 5 SO4 minus. Okay, now here we have water molecules are remaining. So there were 5 water molecules and here 8 water molecules. 8 minus 5, we have 3 water molecules. Okay, now we have to balance this by the charges. So here you have charge which is, it is minus, it is what, 2 minus, it is minus 2. Here we have minus, it is 2, yeah, 5 to the 10 minus ka 10. Okay, it is plus का है तो it will be plus 6. It is 4 to plus 4. It is, here again we have 2. It is basically 10 minus का 10 because here we have negative sign. Then here we have 3 zeros are 3 0 0. Okay, so now here let's balance this. Here you can see we have arrow here, so this will be 10 minus 6 will be 4. 4 minus 4 plus 2 will be minus का 6, right? आप जब इनको करोगे, then here you can see 10 में से 4 गए, minus का 6, so here you can see minus 6 are balanced. So this was basically our, we can say, the to make we can say an electron method to balance this. But this was the acidic medium question. Okay, in the next video we'll do basic medium.